children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. How are you, my dear children? Hope you all are fine.
In the last class, we revised the lesson 4, that is addition and subtraction up to 99. And also I had given one test paper.
I hope you all have attended the test paper, right children? Yes.
So children, today we are going to revise the lesson 3, that is numbers up to 100. Are you ready children? Yes, let's begin. Tell me children, what have you learned in this lesson? In this lesson, we have learned the numbers up to 100. Now, we know how to read and write the numbers up to 100, right? See children, here I have written the numbers from 1 to 100. Here we can see 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit numbers, isn't it? That is, the numbers from 1 to 9 are called 1 digit numbers. Then the numbers from 10 to 99 are called 2 digit numbers. Then tell me children, how many digits are there in 100? Yes, 3. So we can say that 100 is a 3 digit number and also 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. Can you say which is the smallest 1 digit number? Yes, 1, and 9 is the biggest 1 digit number. Then tell me which is the smallest 2 digit number? Yes, 10. 10 is the smallest 2 digit number and 99 is the biggest 2 digit number. Okay? Do you know children how many digits does the number after 99 have? We know after 99 100 will come. We know 100 is a 3 digit number, right? In this lesson, we have learned how to write the number names. I am going to write a number. See, how do you read this number? Yes, it is 25. We know how to write this number in words. That is, first we will write 20, then 5. In this way, we can write any number in words, right? Let us see some examples. 32, 55, 64, 76, 99, then 100. See children, what is the spelling of 100? Yes, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Okay. Children, you have to practice how to write the spellings of number. Will you practice it? Okay. We know there are two places in a 2-digit number, that is tens and ones. Let us see some examples. Here 23. Tell me children, how many tens and ones are there in 23? Yes, 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. Let us see one more example. 72. Here we can see there are 7 tens and 2 ones in 72. I am going to give you one more number. 91. Tell me children, how many tens and ones are there in 91? Yes, this number has 9 tens and 1 1. Is it clear children? Yes. We learned how to compare numbers. We have 3 rules for comparison. The first rule, a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. Then the second rule, the number which has a bigger tens digit is bigger. Then the third rule, the number with the bigger ones digit is bigger. So we can use these rules for comparing numbers. See children, here you can see 4 numbers, 75, 63, 82, 44. Which is the smallest number? Yes, we can use the rules for comparison, right? So, what is the first rule? Yes, a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. Here, all the numbers are 2-digit numbers. So, let us compare the tens digit. We know the number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. So, what are the tens digits here? Yes, 7, 6, 8, 4. So tell me, which is the smallest number? Yes, 4 is the smallest number. So we can say that 44 is the smallest number. Let us solve one more problem. Here you can see 4 numbers: 47, 97, 37, 87. Children, you have to find out which is the biggest number. Here all the numbers are 2-digit numbers. So let us compare the tens place digit. Here the tens digits are 4, 9, 3, 8. Which is the biggest number? Yes, we know 9 is the biggest number. So we can say that 97 is the biggest number. Okay. In this lesson we have learned about ascending and descending order. Do you remember that? Yes. In ascending order, we will arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. And in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Examples. See children, here you can see 4 numbers: 46, 81, 48, 92. Let us see how to arrange these numbers in ascending order. We know ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Here all the numbers are 2-digit numbers, right? So let us compare the tens digit. But here two numbers have the same tens digit, that is 46 and 48. So let us compare their ones digit. 46 has 6 ones and 48 has 8 ones. So tell me children, which is smaller, 6 or 8? Yes, 6. So let us write 46 as the smallest number. Then we can write 48. Tell me children, 81 or 92? Which is the smaller number? Yes, 81. Then we write 92. Next, let us see how to arrange numbers in descending order. We know in descending order we will arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Example: 45, 34, 97, 67. Tell me children, how you arrange these numbers in descending order? First we have to find out which is the biggest number. For that we have to compare the tens digit, because all the numbers are 2-digit numbers. The tens digits are 4, 3, 9, 6. Which is the biggest? Yes, 9. So we can say that 97 is the biggest number. Then 6 is the biggest number. So let us write 67 as the next number. Then 4 or 3, which is bigger? Yes, 4. So let us write 45, then 34. See children, in this way you can write the numbers in ascending order or descending order. Remember, in ascending order we will arrange numbers from smallest to biggest, and in descending order we will arrange numbers from biggest to smallest. We learned how to write the expanded form of a number. For example, 34. How do you write the expanded form of this number? Yes, we know 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones. So let us write 34 is equal to 3 tens plus 4 ones. We know the value of 3 tens equal to 30. Then the value of 4 ones equal to 4. So we can write 30 plus 4. See, 30 plus 4 is the expanded form of 34. In this way you can write the expanded form of any number, right? I hope you have understood today's class. Today we revised the lesson 3, numbers up to 100. Children, I have attached one test paper along with this video. All of you attend the test paper. Okay? So study well and practice well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.